Hello guys, good morning. Hope you are all doing fine. This is a special review vlog on Abhi and new content creation masterclass that was held on first week of June. I had created this plan that I'm going to make a special vlog on Abhi and new content creation masterclass. And here we go. I told you about Abhiyan new content creation masterclass. Actually, it was taught on Graphy. Graphy is a good place where we can learn many courses of various creators, and some of the creators has also started their own course, and this was a paid course I did, and it was very helpful for me. And so here we goes. In my content creation journey, I will have many benefit of this course. I gave you insight on Graphy. So here are the sessions that were taught. First was introduction. Second was start with a bang. Third was assemble your weapons. Fourth was making your first video. Fifth was writing your script. Sixth was shooting your first video, shooting the video. Seventh was editing your content. Eighth was catching. Here comes the money. And last was this is just a beginning. So guys, I manifested each and every session. So now I am clarifying each and every session so that you get an insight and information of each and every session that can be useful for your content creation or any other career. Here we go. So first session was about introduction, and second session name was start with a bang. In second session, he told me about problems that we can face while shooting or vlogging. Problems can be internal or external. So internal problems are solvable, and external problems are unsolvable, means unsolvable. Internal problems like when problems like when we are shooting a vlog or content, and there can be background noise. So we can edit that background noise, or we can use a good quality mic like Boya or Rode mic. And external problems like when we are shooting when we are shooting at a noisy place, means when we go for a shoot at a noisy place, it is external problem that we can't do anything about that. The only solution is that we should go to a quiet place and shoot our content or a vlog. For external problem category, I have an another example that I am sending my vlogs to many of the friends. So in that list, some of them will watch it, and some of them will not watch it. It's up to them. That's external for me, means it's their decision to watch or to not to watch. So I can't force them to tell them that please watch, please watch. After that, they told me about their secret that they use for their content journey. He told me about golden circle, and golden circle look like this. And he told me that if we are starting our content creation journey, so how can it benefit me? Means what are the problems, how can we solve it, and why should we solve it in our content creation journey. They gave me example of Apple also to explain that. And that way first and second module ends. So the next session was third session, and its name is assembling your weapons, and it was held on 5th of June. So the third session is about tools that we can use in our content creation journey. tools like Google Tools. Google Tools are that like Google Calendar, Google Flights, Google Hotels. Second tool is bulk email tools. Any content creator want to say, send emails to many of their subscriber, so they can use bulk email tools like Email Octopus or Tiny Letters. It's there in Google. Means we can find it on Google. So the next tool is community tool. So if I want to make a big community, I can use these tools like Discord, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and other tools we can get to make a big community, to share my videos so that I can have a big community. And if in future I make meetup to my subscriber. I can tell them via through community. The next tool is grammar tool. So if I am making any mistake or a spelling mistake in writing in my script, so I can use this tool to fix my mistake. Tools like Grammarly or Hemingly. The next tool is design tools like Canva or Colors, and the next tool is analytical tools that we can use to track our progress, like vidIQ or Social Blade. And the next tool is editing tools that we can use to edit our videos, like KineMaster, InShot, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci, and so on. So the next session is third session. Its name is making your first video, and that was held on 12th of June. So the third session was about making your first video with the help of friends, family, and then choosing a target audience, and then choosing a platform for our content, that is Instagram or YouTube. Target audience can be of different age, different gender, different occupation, different likes and different dislikes, and means in that sense, videos can be gone viral to that target audience, specific target audience. Then they told me about how to get content ideas. Content ideas can be from YouTube searches, comment box, visual representation, or consuming content out of the box or out of our field. And in that way, sessions come to an end. So the next session was about writing your script 101, that was held on 19th of June. And the next session is about shooting your first video, that was held on 26th June. And they taught me about how to write a good and effective script, and how to shoot a perfect video, so that it can get viral. So the next session was editing your content, that was held on 3rd of July. Taught me about editing terms like A-roll and B-roll. Then they gave insight on aspect ratio. What is a good aspect ratio? Good aspect ratio according to me is 16 is to 9. Then they give insight on resolution. Resolution like 360 pixel, 480 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, 1440 pixel, and 4K, that is Ultra HD. Then they also gave me insight on frame rate. Then they told me about then they told me about universal concept of editing, like segment, packaging, transition, and BGM, background music. They explained me format of A-roll, B-roll, animation, music, element, and tools. And in that way this session ends. So the next session is seventh session that was held on 10th of July, and its title is Catching Here Comes the Money. So in that session, they told us about their first brand deal, and they explained us some terms that we can use to earn some money. Terms like CPM and RPM, whereas CPM stand for cost per mile and RPM stand for revenue per mile. As you don't know, India's CPM is very low as compared to other countries. India's CPM is $1.5, and other countries are highest CPM. Norway has highest CPM of $43, and that's too much, guys. India CPM is so low and Norway CPM is so high. So you can see where is the graph going. Then they told me about categories for higher CPM, like fashion and beauty, food, fitness, e-commerce, technology, and so on. Told me about different types of monetization, like ad revenue, sponsor content, brand placement, merchandise, consulting, and so on. That way, this session ends. And they explained me about YouTube partner program, that if we want to get qualified for a YouTube partner program, we should at least have thousand subs in 1 year and 4,000 watch hours in 1 year. And this is the last session. That is this is just a beginning, and this session then this all session come to an end, and this session was very effective for me, that I am slowly applying to my content creation journey, and I learned so much from it, and also I have made notes, and I have this course. I have this this course course for lifetime, so that I can refer it in future. Then after that, in few weeks they gave us our certificates, and then I felt very amazing getting the certificate, that I have some knowledge on content creation. The certificate that I got, and it's very nice that they gave us the certificate, and I felt very proud of myself that I completed this, and gained some information. Just finished some meditation, and it felt so real, and it was some divine experience for me. So now I'm expressing my views on Abhi and New Content Creation Masterclass. Abhi sir and New ma'am did a wonderful job launching this course on Graphy for young creators. This course was so spectacular and well built that helped me a lot. I am also thankful to Graphy team that gave us such a wonderful experience. Thank you, Abhi sir and New ma'am. This coffee is wonderful, guys. Kuliah apa? Cheers. Cheers. For a wonderful life. So done with my office, and now I had came to gym, and now it's my legs day, and so now there is special appearance of my uncle. We both are doing gymming, and he is doing chest and I am doing legs. So be ready, guys. done with my gym, and it was a hectic day. So I did legs, and my legs are paining a lot, and now I am heading home. सो गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर दिस व्लॉग। मैं आपको ये व्लॉग में बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड किया है, तो आपको कोई भी रिजल्ट से अच्छा लगा रहेगा ये व्लॉग तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना और सब्सक्राइब भी करना। और जो इस चैनल पे नए देख रहे हैं सब्सक्राइबर, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना। और गाइस ये व्लॉग शेयर करना एज वायरल एज पॉसिबल, है ना। तो गुड बाय।